Welcome to this first tutorial. So what I want to do in this tutorial is to make this spaceship by only using the few tools that I showed you in the previous module. So I just want to show you how much you can make just by using merge and subtract, and also just by drawing some very simple sketches and extruding, because if you use them correctly, you can make so many different things. So this spaceship is just a very simple example. So in this first video, I will just explain you what I did to create it, which steps I took. So the first thing I did was to create this cone here, this engine, by creating a simple cone, and I cut off the front part by using subtract and a box, and then by adding a cylinder in the middle, I could subtract the center here, the hole, and then I copied it, so I had two. And then I went to sketch, and I drew with polyline. I drew the shape of this main part here. I just drew it with polyline and then extruded it up, and then I had sort of a box which I used fillet on to get this shape here, and chamfer on the sides. Then I just merged the engines on the sides, and I could use fillet again. And then what did I do? I created another sketch. You can see I created this one. I just drew it all over here, this one, and extruded it and merged it to the main part again. Then I also drew another sketch that I extruded, and I placed it on top of the spaceship and put a small chamfer here. I also merged it with the main part. Then to get these cut outs, I just created a flat box from here and put it inside, and then with subtract I could remove these parts here. So it's very simple. I also put some small fillets on the sides, and I added two small spheres, so you will see how that is done. The same thing here, I have some chamfer to get this, and all this is just the chamfer. So we will try to make the same spaceship or a very similar one, and then after we finish it, you can also try to add some details. So that's about it. Please just go to the next video and we can start to model this.